Hello everyone, welcome back again. My name is Jesse, and in this wonderful tutorial we're trying to see how to install a very nice software called Waypoint produced by Hashicorp that is very useful in case you want to build, deploy and then release your software. So let's see how to install it on your system. So in case you don't have it on your system, you can just go to the download section. There are two main ways you can install it. You can install it as the binary file, or you can just use the, in case you're on Ubuntu, you can use this particular option. So let's try with this one. So I'll copy this here, I'll download it, and then we will install it. So this is just going through the tutorial. It's not something difficult. I'll paste it here. I'm going to add it as for my password. It's going to take some time for it to download from the official website. You have to make sure that you have internet, right? Perfect. That is the first thing. Then the second option is that you can just copy this. So let's copy this entire stuff here, and then let's paste it. Yeah. Perfect. So it's going to download it perfectly for us. You have to make sure that you have internet on the system. So this is the simplest way. So you just go to the official website and then just copy this particular stuff here, right, to install it on your Ubuntu system. So there's support for other forms of Linux, so for CentOS, for Fedora, for Amazon. In case you're also on Windows, you can just use this particular option, right? Just download the binary file and then you just install it. But let's work on Linux. So that's finished. It's downloading it. It's very simple, right? So that's how to install Waypoint on your system. So Waypoint is a very nice software that allows to make it easy for you to be able to build your apps, to be able to deploy them and then release them in a very simple way, just using a very simple workflow. Perfect. So that's finished installing on our system. So in case I want to check if it was installed, I just go to Waypoint help, or just Waypoint. Perfect. So that's already been installed, and the current version is 0.15, right? Very nice. So you can build, deploy, release, and then you can do some other stuff. So let's see first of all the simple overview of it. So in case you want to, first of all, you need to get the Waypoint server on it, right? So that's the first option. So you can use Docker to help us with that. So sudo Docker. In case you don't have Docker, you can check how to install Docker on the system. Then Waypoint Docker pull. You need to pull that image. Pull Hashicorp /Waypoint latest, right? It's going to pull the Hashicorp Waypoint image from Docker Hub on your system, right? So you're downloading it from the website. You have to make sure that you have internet on your system. Taking some time to pull the image. Perfect. So we have the Docker image for Waypoint installed on the system. Very nice. So you can also, that is how to work with Waypoint. So now if I go back to sudo Docker images, you're going to see that we have the Waypoint image here, right? Very nice. So that is how to install Waypoint on your system. So the first step is that you just, based on a particular operating system, just go with this option, right? Very simple. That is in case you are using Linux, right? And then you just install the system. Or you can just download the binary file like this. I can download this one. Then I'll extract it to the required place following this particular command. So this is the command follow, right? You just extract it, then you move it to your local bin, right? That is the second method. So thank you for watching this tutorial. In case you have any question or contribution, you can just put it in the comment section below. So the next session we're trying to explore Waypoint. See you in the next session. Stay blessed. Bye.